Hello and welcome to this intro video on the GL accounting calendar in Qvinci's new GL non-Sunday aligned reporting solution. We're going to show you how to adjust the calendar. Our solution consultants will have the demonstration for you, and our customer success agents will actually set it up initially for you, but we're going to show you what it looks like and how you can make changes. When you log into Qvinci, you'll land on the advisory portal, and if you're an admin in the account, you'll have this capability. You go to Manage and you click the Accounting Calendar. Now this only shows up when we've turned on GL non-Sunday line reporting for you, but it will apply to everyone in the account that you have. So when we're doing GL non-Sunday line reporting, we have different reporting periods that we want to use. 445 weekly reporting, and we may want to do reporting on non-Sunday aligned days. So for instance, in this case, in my account, I have set up and said, you know what, I want my reports to be Friday, starting on Friday, and my first date that I'm going to do reporting is all the way back on the 3rd of January 2020. And so you will tell our customer success agent what you want here. I want it to be January. I want it to be Friday is my weekly period start day, and this is the first date I want to go back to and start reporting on. So this sets up the system. And what happens is, as soon as the customer success agent does this, it's going to create a default accounting calendar for you. And it's going to be 4-4-5, 4-week, 4-week, 5-week by default, but it can be changed. But by default, we set it up as 4-4-5. And you simply click, to change it, you simply click Export the Accounting Calendar. Now, when we say 4-4-5 in Qvinci, if you've looked at the other videos, the basic reporting video and the one on library reports, you know that Qvinci will allow you to say, show me the last period. And the period is going to contain 4 weeks or 5 weeks, and to show me the last 3 periods. So the structure of the accounting calendar is important, and it can be adjusted to your needs. So if I click Export the Calendar, then what's going to happen is I'm going to get something that looks like this in Excel. And now I can make changes. So you can see here that I've got the 3rd of January 2020 is my first one. Here's the year 2020. And the first 4 weeks are called Period 1. The second 4 weeks are called Period 2. And here I've got 5 weeks of Period 3. So you can simply come in here. If you want to change this to 4-5-4, I can simply just select the Period 2, copy it, and now I've got 4 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, and 4 weeks. And I can do this, go all the way down, making these changes to the period structure, aligning with the dates of my choice. And again, our customer success agents will help you with this. When you want to do the 6th week, you'll simply come down. I'm just going to do this as an example. Let's say that if I come all the way down here to 2022, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 periods in period 12 in 2022, and I really need this to be a 6. And all I have to do is select this and Control-C and copy it, and now I've got 6 weeks. I've got my 6th week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I start over again by saying, okay, well, now I've got to bump this down to period 1, and now I've got 4 weeks, and so you'll make these adjustments as needed. And this is a one-and-done kind of thing. I mean, realistically, you set this up one time, and you probably never touch it again. Now, I'm going to mention that Qvinci, by default, is going to give you, I believe it's 5 years in the future. So again, once you do this one time, you've got 5 years before you're going to want to touch this again, let's say. So it gives you the reporting period structure that you're looking for. And so when you say, as an example, give me the last period and the same period last year. You know, if you were sitting in 2022 and you chose period 3, we're going to go pick period 3 out of 2021 also and show you 2021's period 3 versus 2022's period 3. And if period 3 is 4 weeks, it's going to be 4 weeks. And if period 2021 is 5 weeks, it's going to be 5 weeks. This is the grouping of weeks is really all it is. And you save this, and once you save this, then you can import it back in. After you've made your changes, you choose the file, import back in, and now your accounting structure has these start days and start dates, but your structure has changed to match what you want it to be. Probably if you're a restaurant or something like that, you've already got a calendar, a non-Sunday aligned calendar by weeks, and all we're doing is making the financials coming out of all the QuickBooks files that Qvinci is collecting, make those periods match your POS reporting. So it's very, very powerful. It's very easy to use. I mean, it's an Excel thing. And again, customer success will help you. You simply come down here and click this button to say, hey, I need some help with this, with my accounting calendar. Now, when we do the onboarding for you, this is going to be one of the initial phases. We will turn on GL, the GL non-Sunday line reporting, and we're going to walk you through doing this and helping you with it. I mean, even if you already have your calendar set up in Excel somewhere else, you can send it to us, and we'll retrofit it for you. We make it very easy to get started, and then you have a reporting. Imagine, I mean, you can't do this with an accounting system. I mean, if you were an ecosystem of 75 restaurants or 75 or 150 or 200 or 2,000 anythings, getting non-Sunday aligned reporting on the structure that you're looking for out of a plurality of accounting files is impossible. And we make it easy and automated. Again, this is a one-time setup. Could you change it later? Yeah, you could if you want to change it. You likely probably don't want to, but we're going to make this easy for you to get started. We're going to help onboard you so that what you can do is you can come in and click Basic Reports as an example, which is a quick start. Profit and loss GL, give me the by period this fiscal year to date across all the entities in my ecosystem as an example, using my structure that we just defined in that Excel file. And there it is. By week, this fiscal year, non-Sunday aligned with the periods that I want. And if I want to go back and run other reports, I can change the options, say, you know what, those are by periods. So let's take a look at this one more time. We're talking about here, in this particular report, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 4 week, 4 week, 5 week, or 4, 5, 4. Whatever that structure is, we're going to group the weeks together for you the way you're looking for. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, certainly reach out to us by contacting a solution consultant or one of our customer success agents. Have a great day.